Ever wonder which investment path might lead you to financial freedom quicker? Real estate or affiliate marketing? Two intriguing avenues, each with its own allure. On one side, you have real estate, a tangible asset that's been the traditional road to wealth for generations. On the other, there's affiliate marketing, a virtual gold mine in the digital era. Both hold the promise of lucrative returns, yet each comes with its unique set of risks and challenges. So, which path is the quicker road to financial success? Let's dive in and explore. Imagine owning a piece of the world, a tangible asset that you can touch and feel. That's real estate. It's solid, it's concrete, it's real. It's an investment that you can see, visit, and even live in if you choose. Now, consider the compelling advantages of real estate investment. First and foremost, there's potential for capital growth. Over time, the value of real estate generally goes up. This means that you could buy a property today, and in 10 years, it could be worth significantly more. Then there's rental income. If you rent out your property, you could have a steady stream of income flowing in every month. This cash flow can help to cover the mortgage and other expenses, possibly even leaving a little extra in your pocket. And let's not forget about the tax benefits. In many countries, there are tax advantages associated with owning real estate. These can include deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and even certain expenses related to managing a rental property. Many individuals have leveraged these benefits to amass substantial wealth. Think about the story of Arnold Schwarzenegger, who used his earnings from bodybuilding to invest in real estate, eventually becoming a millionaire before even stepping foot in Hollywood. However, as enticing as it sounds, real estate investment isn't without its challenges. Stepping into the world of real estate isn't as easy as it might seem. The first hurdle you might encounter is the high entry cost. Buying properties is a significant financial commitment, often requiring substantial capital and a hefty mortgage. Then there's the ongoing maintenance. A leaky roof or faulty wiring can quickly eat into your profits, turning your investments into a money pit. And let's not forget the market fluctuations. The real estate market can be volatile, with property values rising and falling due to a myriad of factors, from economic conditions to neighborhood developments. This means that real estate investments carry a certain level of risk. Next, there is the need of substantial knowledge. Understanding property values, assessing market conditions, navigating legal requirements. These all require a deep understanding of the real estate world. Overcoming these challenges requires time, money, and effort. But for those who succeed, the rewards can be significant. Now, let's shift gears and explore the virtual world of affiliate marketing. Imagine earning money while you sleep, with your website doing all the work. Welcome to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like a virtual gold mine that can be accessed from anywhere at any time. It's an appealing prospect, isn't it? The concept is simple. You promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. One of the major benefits of affiliate marketing is the low startup cost. Unlike real estate, where you need a significant amount of capital to purchase property, you can start an affiliate marketing business with just a website and internet connection. Another fantastic advantage is the potential for passive income. Imagine your website working for you round the clock, attracting visitors and converting them into customers while you are off doing other things. Furthermore, affiliate marketing provides a level of flexibility that's hard to match. You can work from anywhere at any time and choose the products and services you want to promote. You are not tied down to a specific location or schedule. And let's not forget about scalability. With the right strategies and tools, you can grow your affiliate marketing business to reach a wider audience and generate more revenue. Think about Pat Flynn or Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, successful affiliate marketers who have turned their websites into lucrative businesses. But just like real estate, affiliate marketing has its own set of challenges. Venturing into affiliate marketing isn't a walk in a park. It comes with a steep learning curve. You need to master SEO, content creation, and analytics. The competition fierce. Thousands are already vying for a slice of the profitable pie. But look, let's be real. We are living in weird times by the moment I'm producing this video. And you already know that the real estate market has gone crazy over the last few years. With inflation and interest rates going higher and higher, if you really want to build wealth, starting from zero, like me, leave real estate for the moment and start with affiliate marketing. Again, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to put in the effort. In fact, getting rich quick doesn't exist. So which one are you ready to start? Now, take a moment to watch this video next to learn the secrets to grow an online business. Those are really important to shift your mindset and start to take action. See you in the next one.